Hello, welcome to Hotel Hero. This video is called The Continuing Short Squeeze in the Silver Market, which is continuing because the banks are always short. I did a video back in July in regards to the short squeeze, and this is an update for Tuesday, August 12th, 2025. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always doing your homework when you invest. So what's interesting today, and the reason I did the video, is the silver spot price is actually greater than the futures market price, the September contracts, which is unusual, especially if you think silver's in a bull market. And I think the reason being is in the last 24 hours, there's been 61,000 contracts that were traded. Each contract is 5,000 ounces of silver, which comes to 305 million ounces of silver, which is almost 50% of the global annual production of silver. So there's a lot of action taking place, and despite that, the banks have been unable to get the price in the last 3 or 4 weeks really below $37 for any period of time. They're failing at this point because there's big players that are coming in and buying these contracts, especially if the contract is less than the actual spot price. I mean, they could always go and buy the spot price, but why not lock in a price that's cheaper, especially if you're going to buy 20, 30 million ounces. So we'll keep an eye on this. The other reason I'm doing this video is because I think the window of opportunity is closing on silver. Our government and the banks have spent 50 years suppressing the prices of gold and silver, and the debt-based fiat monetary system it's on its last leg as far as I'm concerned. We have the Treasury monetizing debt. The M2 monetary supply is increased. I didn't know that till a couple days ago, which means the Federal Reserve is injecting billions of dollars into the system, and that's probably why the stock market, the bond market, is at all-time high. It is going to bring other asset classes with it, despite the price manipulation. But anyways, keep an eye on it. People that I talk to in person, they're like, when's the best time to buy? If you're a stacker like me, it's cost averaging. I mean, I don't care if silver is $50 right now, because at some point I think it's going to go 10 to 1. Some people believe 1 to 1 with gold. So now's the time to buy. It's still the most affordable asset on the planet. Hope you found this helpful, and God bless you today.